Hello and welcome to our video on New to Yoga. Here's how to begin. Yoga is an ancient practice that has been around for thousands of years and has been proven to have many benefits for both the body and mind. If you're new to yoga, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. But don't worry, we're here to help. First of all, it's important to know that yoga is more than just physical exercise. It's also a spiritual practice that aims to bring balance and harmony to the body, mind, and soul. Keeping this in mind, it's important to go into your yoga practice with an open mind and a willingness to learn. It's important to have the right tools before you start. You don't have to buy expensive yoga clothes or props, but you should wear something comfortable that lets you move around easily and have a yoga mat to cushion and support your joints. Now, let's talk about the different kinds of yoga. There are a lot of different ways to do yoga, and each one has its own focus and benefits. Hatha, Vinyasa, and Ashtanga are some of the most well-known styles. Hatha yoga is a kind of yoga that is good for people who are just starting out. It focuses on how to breathe, stretch, and calm down. Vinyasa yoga is a style of yoga that is more active and focuses on movement and flow. Ashtanga yoga is a style of yoga that is harder and focuses on building strength and flexibility. When you're just starting out, it's important to find a class that's right for your level. Beginner classes are available at many yoga studios, or you can try an online class or a YouTube video. It's important to pay attention to your body and not put too much pressure on yourself. If the practice hurts or makes you feel bad, take a break or stop doing it. Don't forget that yoga isn't about winning or being perfect. Instead, it's about finding balance and harmony in your body and mind. It's important to apply the ideas of yoga to your daily life, in addition to practicing yoga physically. This includes things like being present, being mindful, and meditating. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in getting you started on your yoga journey. Remember to be patient with yourself and to always listen to your body. Namaste. Please consider to support us by subscribing to this channel.